Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on euro currency, on the gold market. Yesterday, as you can see, our worries about the perspective of the gold market was not in vain, because we have important sign recently. So the interest rates has been formed a bearish grabber. It suggests a jump of the interest rates above 120 area. And actually, in general, the interest rates were rising recently. That, as you can see, has made a strong and solid impact on the gold as well. What is also important that, as we already mentioned, here we also have the grabber. So at approximately the same point as on the interest rates. And this grabber also suggests taking out of these lows. So that's why this starting of this action, it's just the beginning. It's just some halfway to the downside. And the same story we could say about the interest rates. So here is also daily chart of the interest rates. You could see that here we have the grabber, and it's also the halfway till the top. This 120 area should be taken out, maybe not this week, I don't know. Today in the session we will get only Michigan numbers, but maybe they will not bring significant action on the markets, significant reaction. So probably it has more chance to happen on the next week. But anyway, that suggests a move above the top. And gold, as you understand, could follow to the same example, and market could show the downward continuation taken out of these lows. Currently difficult to say what it will be. What is a continuation of our major trend that we discussed in our weekly report. So interest rates continue rising despite the recent weak non-farm payrolls releases. We have warned you that it probably could be some statistical mistake because the overall report doesn't reflect the real situation in the economy, and many analysis of the big banks tells the same. And as interest rates are climbing high, it just confirms this moment. But what will happen when the lows will be taken out? Whether this will be just a short-term drop and then market will return and back up, or this will be longer-term action. We do not know yet. And we need to see what will happen on interest rates as well. But currently we have the short-term direction. This direction stands down. We're aiming on these lows around 1790 probably, 1780. With the perspective of the maybe next week. So today, on the 4-day from chart, we do not see something really special, some pullback here stand, nothing really interesting. But on the hourly chart, the shape of the hand and shoulders that we discussed recently has worked perfect. Once market hits approximately 618 level of these retracements, typical for the hand shoulders, market collapsed. Now is moving to the target. Nearest target stands at 1811. It's XOP. That's probably a logical target for today's session. It's not too far, and market could reach it. On the way down, you can see the confidence level already has been broken, which suggests that some significant pressure stands on the market currently. Bearish pressure has pushed prices lower. At the same time, here's acceleration means that market very fast has passed through the OP target, despite that it agrees with the confidence. And I think the reaching of the XOP today is just a question of time. So it easily could be done by the gold market. But what's more important and more interesting is the way to the downside, whether this will happen or not, and how it will happen. So, but that probably we will keep an eye on next week.